Hi, this is Amir, and I invite you to watch a short segment from one of our recent Tech Club training sessions. At Tech Club, we meet 4 times every month, and this is your chance to embrace technology with confidence. Ask any question and never feel left behind. Check out techclub.org for a very special offer, and enjoy this short segment.
I want to show you another technique. I really like this technique when I do design. And I'm going to do the following. I'm creating an infographic. I'm now in ChatGPT about how England was formed, starting from Alfred the Great. Okay, this is what you wrote, Stephen. Now, please write a complete brief. Brief is like this technical or jargon that's used with graphic designers for my designer for the infographic. So I'm actually asking ChatGPT to create a brief that I would be able to give a graphic designer. So it's going to fill out all the information. It's going to give me all the information. And then I'm going to feed Gemini or Nano Banana, okay? This is the objective, primary audience, tone and style. This is important because tone and style, Nano Banana is going to use that and work with it, okay? Format, vertical layout suitable for both print and digital use. Approximate height, 2,000 to 3,000 pixels. Okay, content structure. Okay, there is timeline and map flow. There is the key milestones to include, dynasty, visuals, Viking influence section, and closing. Color direction, typography, assets needed from the designer. We don't need this. We need just the description. Or we can say assets needed in the design. We can do that. So I'm going to copy this text. As you see, I'm copying it right now. And let's just copy that. I'm going to go back here and we'll start a new chat. We'll start a new chat and create an infographic with the following details. Okay, and I'm going to paste everything in. Okay, so infographic brief, formation of England, and so on. At the end, I'll just change one thing. Okay, instead of where was it? Assets needed from designer, assets, let's say, to be included, okay? And of course, I need to choose image, create image. All right, and then I'll send it over and Nano Banana is starting to work. Okay, let's see how NotebookLM is doing with our additional timeline. If you remember, I asked for an infographic which would be circular, like a clock, and colorful, with a colorful palette. Okay, so let's see if it followed my instructions. Of course, it did. Okay, the unsolved mystery of MH370, a timeline of disappearance and discovery. So we have March 8th. You see how it followed my instructions. This is something worth knowing. If you put it in the prompt, it'll follow it. Okay, so we have March 8th, with March 14th, the search shifts. With the satellite data, the first debris found, official search ends, new search approved, December 30, renewed search to begin. Okay, missing an E over here, renewed search to begin. So there are these slight corrections that you sometimes need, and just to use some graphic design software. For example, you could take a screenshot of this, put this into Canva, and then make some changes and just write over it, okay? Yeah, Stephen writes Canva. So yeah, we can definitely take this into Canva and work in Canva and make these minor changes. But look at how beautifully it took my instructions and it took the text and created all of this.